First responders from Greater Cincinnati are there to help. WLWT News 5's Nicole Aponte joining us live from Covington. And Nicole, they sent several firefighters down to the hardest hit areas.
Megan, good morning. 6 Covington firefighters are down in Hazard, Kentucky this morning to help with this flood rescue. They left here from the Covington Fire Department last Friday and will be doing everything they can to help these people affected by the flood get to safety. These firefighters were tapped by the Northern Kentucky Technical Rescue Team that various first responder departments throughout the Greater Cincinnati area are a part of. The crew drove down an inflatable Zodiac boat they'll use over the next few days to rescue people trapped in houses, stranded in cars, or even in the flood water itself. This water, it is fast-moving, highly dangerous, and can destroy anything in its path. These firefighters are trained in swift water rescue, but with weather we're seeing, it can complicate their work.
The temperatures are plummeting, snow on top of it. Working around swift water is dangerous enough, but now it's cold enough that you have ice. So now, you got to make sure that guys are tied to safety lines and things like that. So if somebody slips, one of our guys isn't gone in the water. So the weather has definitely been a very interesting dynamic.
Along with these Covington firefighters, we also do know a swift water rescue team with Hebron Fire was also sent down to Hazard to help. Reporting live in Covington this morning, Nicole Aponte, WLWT News 5.